On March 27, 2025, the city of Korla in China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region became the epicenter of a powerful sandstorm that struck the area. According to local meteorologists, the storm began early in the morning, bringing clouds of dust over 100 meters high. Visibility dropped to just a few meters, causing chaos on the roads. Police shut down key highways, forcing drivers to seek shelter on the sidelines.
Can you see me? 小朋友，你挡着看得见吗？能看。现在这个样子。
Interestingly, Korla, known as the Pearl of the Taklamakan Desert, is no stranger to such events, but this time the storm stunned with its intensity. Chinese media reported that strong winds damaged buildings, while social media platforms buzzed with videos showing sand seemingly swallowing the city. Residents shared stories of daylight turning to night in mere minutes. Experts link the storm to climate change and land degradation in the region. While no official casualty reports have emerged, the event underscored Xinjiang's vulnerability to natural disasters. Local authorities are urging people to stay indoors and wait out the storm until it subsides.
Thank you all for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. My team and I work hard for you, analyzing all weather-related events so you are always up to date with the latest news.